Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gladys. I hope you're all doing well. I am doing amazing. Apart from the cold, I hope my voice is okay and you guys can hear me. Today's video, we are doing something a bit different. I am a person that loves chia pudding so much for breakfast, and I came across a recipe here on YouTube, chia pudding with raspberry, and that's what I want us to try today. So let's do that.
Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If you're not dead, then he come out. No go bambo.
Now for the ingredients that we'll be needing, I'm gonna go in with these frozen raspberries. I also have almond milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. We also have some honey. This is quite optional, but we want some sweetness. And have some chia. And for toppings, I love almond flakes so much. It's what I'll be topping with. And I have these cute bamboo containers where I'll be storing them, and I'll show you guys because I will not be having them right now because we need to refrigerate them and then have them for breakfast. So let's do it.
As that day comes, as I go, I don't watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God don't watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors.
From the thing them call the broken heart, this blessed love will never part to them. Know it from the start, but tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A short Paul and Sasha.
Make me holler, you make me sing. I can't get to
dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that the man is just a man. That's the dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
I know they know where I do want. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. I'm still in love.
What a man gotta know, what a man gotta do. Girl, when I never have a promise and I'm bling bling for all a girl. When I dance a loving when me fling fling control a girl. I'll make your head swirl, I'll make your body twirl, I'll make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bar. I know you want your cat, then we just can't perform.
Love you, baby.
I show you get it if you loving on the bar.
Know how to love me. Tonight, I'm chilling on the west side. All my homegirls are your best friend. Besides you, I'm alone, baby. I don't wanna sing again.
For toppings, I'll be using almond flakes like I mentioned before. And when it comes to toppings, you don't have to put it right now. You can put it in the morning when you're having your chia pudding. But for me, I want to refrigerate everything together. So let's put the toppings.
You should come through tonight. I only kick you with a tie, 'cause we won't tell, 'cause we tryna live their best life too. On the road, on my own, I'll be waiting. On my phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah. Almost missed my flight today. Look good even